Oh man, it's about to go down. It's about to go down. Couple things you guys need to notice here. Single cab, long bed.
Cut this motherfucker up.
Good, yeah. So, most people don't. Okay, so, first of all, let's introduce you to the channel. This is Don. And I'm going to spell it out here for people to know. It's not Adam, it's not Aiden, it's Adon. So people know. Alright, we'll get that out of the way. We got ourselves here a 2020 GMC Sierra single cab long bed.
Too long.
Too long, as Adon would put it. Reason we're here, he just bought this truck. You want to tell people your vision here? What you're thinking?
Short bed, dropped, probably some 24s, different color. I mean, it's just white, so
yeah,
different color.
Yeah, people don't realize, but a single cab, it's like hard to find in any other color other than white. Yeah. Like white's the color. There's been a couple projects that you finished, right? One of them was. Look at him.
Here's these guys.
What's up, man?
Some camera on camera love going on right now. What are you guys doing today?
Oh, we're just vlogging a little something.
We're vlogging. Awesome, awesome. Yeah, I vlog as well. I'm vlogging too.
Good stuff. Good stuff.
This kid's cool. Big country. So, anyways, what we were saying is, little backstory. You're not a stranger to project cars.
No.
Right?
No.
You've had a couple that you've actually taken from ground up, from rust bucket to completion. What was the Lincoln, right? The Buick. The Buick.
64 Buick, deuce and a quarter, 225. They don't know that. Two-door, long and straight.
Long and straight. What people don't know about you is, my fans will have to understand that you're not a race car guy.
No.
You're all about low and slow, which I respect. and then you picked up a Lincoln.
Now I got a Lincoln.
Continental, right?
Building a Lincoln from the ground up, all modern drivetrain, new frame, handmade frame, Art Morrison frame. Probably the best out there.
Yeah.
It'll have all modern engine, modern electronics, custom interior.
Right.
Everything will be touched on that car.
Right. So we started progress on that back again. We actually got some work done.
We got a lot of work.
And then this happened. How did this happen?
I couldn't pass up the deal. Couldn't pass up these deals.
Yeah, they got some pretty sweet deals right now.
That's pretty badass.
I haven't really seen, because these trucks come in the long bed style. You can't find them in any short bed. So the plan is to pretty much take the truck completely apart, like right now. Like you're about to go to the shop and like start taking it apart. You're not even gonna get to enjoy it.
You can't enjoy long bed.
Yeah, take it completely apart and just start cutting.
Yep.
That's brave.
The bed will be here on Tuesday.
You've already got the short bed.
Oh yeah.
So
I bought the short bed before I bought the truck.
So, yeah, pretty sweet little truck. Definitely mean looking. And obviously standard wheels because he's gonna upgrade the wheels. Didn't need that in the package. What do you think of the truck? And its potential? Yeah. How do you go about doing something like this? Explain the process you think you're gonna have to take.
Since we're just swapping the bed, so most of this is all gonna be the same, but it's in the frame, so you can't cut it. Obviously where the leaf springs are, you can't cut any of that. We're not gonna do bags, so we're not doing a custom frame.
Right.
So the excess in the frame is gonna be at the cab and in front of the leaf spring. Sometimes on the older cars or the older trucks, there was excess on the back side of the leaf spring. I don't think that's the case with these. I think it's all right here. So most of it is just going to be cut right here. Put the new bed on there. Maybe have to change some of the mounting points of the frame.
Easy.
To most, to some.
To some. Let's go for a spin.
Let's go.
Some of the things about this truck is how massive it is inside. Right? It doesn't feel like so much bigger.
It is pretty
even bigger than my, you know, turbo diesel.
64 miles.
64. Total of 64 miles.
Man, somebody drove the shit out of it.
Oh, oh. I mean, it does move.
It does.
So I better put my seatbelt on. Oh, okay. What happened to low and slow?
Just gotta feel it. Good enough. You know, I mean, it's not a race car, a race truck. I'm not opposed to race cars. I love race cars. Just my style with classics, especially, is long, low, and slow. Bag or drop, pretty low. Trucks. I mean, I like fast trucks, but I'm more of the aesthetics.
Right.
Nice paint, nice wheels, small touches.
I don't know why I can't get you out my mind. Yeah, now I'm so lost.
Why the GMC over the Chevy?
I've always been a little bit more of a GMC guy. You know, growing up with the Cyclone, Typhoon.
You're a big fan of those trucks?
GMC Jimmys. Chevys are more common, obviously. More people have Chevys than they do GMCs.
Right.
So, and I kind of like the GMC style this year, as opposed to the Silverado. Silverado, that whole front end change that they did.
You don't like it? I'm a big fan of it.
Are you?
Yeah. Okay. You think they have any Corvettes here?
No, but they have this nice truck.
Oh my God! Don't even say that. Look at that. 2020 Duramax AT4 HD. That would tow the bullet some places, that's for sure. No problem. That's good old reliable there. Used to be called Clifford. Now we call it the Greyhound.
You gotta like that, right?
I don't have one of those. Nice. All right, you ready to take her home or what?
Yep. Get you at the shop?
Yep.
North Pole, life so cold. Lukewarm love, should've took it to the stove. You were bad news, all kind, no pro. We grew apart fast. I guess we was reaping what we sowed in. I guess we was unequally yoked in. Guess if we was putting on the show, guess we should've tried to take it slow. Guess I let my feelings take control. Guess I let my demon take the wheel. Used to think that we be growing old. Now I can't believe that it was real. It was back in late December when I did it. I just wish I could forget it. Cause I hate how much I love it. Oh, I hate how I just love to catch a feeling. Yeah. And you told me that you understood depravity, but now I know you didn't. I guess it's better just to live it and forget it than to live it and remember.
Way to break in a new truck. Good job.
After that, low and slow.
I promise.
Life so cold. Lukewarm love, should've took it to the stove. You were bad news, all kind, no pro. We grew apart fast. I guess we was reaping what we sowed in. I guess we was unequally yoked in. Guess if we was putting on the shoulder, guess we should've tried to take it slow. Guess I let my feelings take control. Guess I let my demon take the wheel. Used to think that we be growing old. Now I can't believe that it was real.